Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Plex versus Fernanfloo. First, let's understand Plex. Plex is a robust media server software that helps you organize and stream your personal collection of movies, TV shows, music, and photos. It acts as a central hub, allowing you to access your content from virtually any device, whether it's a smart television, a streaming stick, or your mobile phone. It's all about bringing your media together in one convenient place for easy enjoyment. Now, let's turn our attention to Fernanfloo. He is a massively popular Salvadoran YouTuber and content creator, famous for his high energy and often hilarious videos. His channel, which has garnered over 46 million subscribers, features a wide array of content, including comedic gaming sessions, engaging vlogs, and entertaining challenges. He has built a significant global audience through his unique personality and consistent output of engaging digital entertainment. It's crucial to recognize that Plex and Fernanfloo occupy entirely different spaces in the digital world. Plex is a software solution, a tool designed to manage and deliver your own media library. On the other hand, Fernanfloo is a content creator, an entertainer who produces original videos for a massive audience. One is a service for personal media, while the other is a source of entertainment created by an individual. They serve distinct user needs. So, when asking which is better, it becomes clear that a direct comparison between Plex and Fernanfloo isn't really applicable. They are not competitors, they are entirely different entities. If your goal is to organize and stream your personal media collection, Plex is the clear choice. If you're looking for engaging, comedic video entertainment, then Fernanfloo is your go-to. Both excel at what they do, but for very different reasons.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.